So guys, first method, disable startup, most common fast. So click to start and type control panel. Okay, control panel. Then select by view by a large icon, and then click power options, and then click choose power button do. Okay, then click to change setting currently unavailable, and if it is showing here turn off fast boot. Okay, so please uncheck it and then close. Then next click to start, type cmd and right click to run as administrator, then click yes. Then type this command power cfg space last week and then hit enter. Okay, so this is 0 count. Then next command, this command I will give in descriptions. Okay, and then close it. Then next, disable LAN and check the power. So click to start and type device manager. Then extract network and select the window wireless Wi-Fi VLAN. Okay, right click to property and then go to the power method. Okay, and then allow this. Okay, uncheck it. Okay, if it is checked, so uncheck and then apply. Okay, and then close it. Then disable automatically restart after system failed. So click to start and type run, and then type this command cysdm.cpl, then click to OK, and then click to advance. Then last one, startup and recovery, click to setting, and this is uncheck it, and then OK, and then OK. Then last method, it is very important.
Click on start. In search, type CMD. Just right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So this is command. First, copy and just control V and then hit enter. Now, verifications start completing. So it will take some time.
If it is stuck now, so you have to just hit enter, so it will start continue. Any percentage like 60% is stuck, it's not continue, so just select here and then hit enter. So you can see first SFC scan, now it's completed. Then second one, so just copy and type and control V, after that hit enter, so no command is detected. Okay, now third, control V, scan health, just hit enter, it will also start. Yeah, you can see when it is processing, and like you can see the running percentage, so do not click anywhere, you have to wait.
So you can see it is completed 100%. Now last, restore health. Copy, control V and hit enter. And this command I will give in the description, so you can copy paste from there. Guys, if you are doing some issue resolve, it is not resolving the issue, you can check the descriptions. We have a Google forms, so you just fill out, my teams will contact you. Now, this is the 100% completed and successfully operation completed.